Here we are today at White Dome Nature Preserve. And today we're going to be doing this green right here. We're going to take that to the blue and then take that up and go around in the orange and then back home. You ready to head out?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's go. You cold?
Nope.
Good.
No, it feels good out here actually.
It does. Feels
I think
really
it's
good.
almost 60 right now.
Is it?
Yeah, feels good.
Nice cool little landscape everywhere. We're gonna head up there and start our trail.
I'm also tracking this on my Apple Watch, so I'll be able to see at the end how our hike was and how long we lasted.
This part's called the White Dome Nature Trail. It's the easiest. All right, here we go. Got your watch going?
Yep.
All right.
Keep having to pause it for you, but we're good now.
Cool landscapes. Mountains in the back there peeking out. Yeah, those mountains, they're in the back. Had a bunch of snow on them, but it's gone again.
We didn't get any of the snow down here.
No.
Just the mountains had it. We didn't.
Yeah, they're way higher than we are here. We're like 3,000 feet. They're like 8,000 feet or something. Ooh, there's a really good view of the mountains there. Wow. Nice. As you can see, it's very gray and brown here, but the skies are nice and blue. The sun's out. That makes it real nice. Wow, look at that. Krista has her sleeves up.
Shut up.
Dang! December and you have your sleeves up.
Yep.
You're not freezing to death. It's crazy.
Nope.
This has a lot of cool hills. This would be pretty cool for mountain biking, but we're only allowed to hike here. There's no mountain biking. No pets allowed. Only hiking. Chris and I found a nice little spot to kind of take a cool little view of. A little panoramic view. What do you think of the spot?
It's a good one. Has nice views. And we're about 3/4 of a mile through, and I'm already tired, so that's a good sign.
It's a great sign.
Yep.
Great sign. There's that mountain again. We're gonna start our little hike again. After those nice views. I'm hoping the trail will wind and go over here to this peak over here. That's pretty tall and it'd be a great place to get some pictures and stuff, but I don't know if it does.
We'll see. Let's find out.
Yep. Let's go. All right, I think this is where it splits off into the Highland Trail. Yep. Highland Trail's up here, so what we're gonna take. And then what we were just on continues that way. So we're gonna go this way. And there's that peak I was talking about. It doesn't look like it's gonna go over there. We'll see. Little drop-off area. See how it just drops off over here? Yeah, there's us. Sun's starting.
Red rocks in the background.
Heck yeah, they're nice, beautiful red rocks in the distance. Wow.
Hey guys.
So those red rocks, so that'd be Arizona in the
Yeah.
distance.
We can basically poke Arizona from where we live.
Yep. So we're in Utah right now, but those red rocks and everything, that's all Arizona. So it looks like this would be the path that goes around into the top there, but it looks like they have it closed off right now. So we're gonna follow the rules and not go over there. But Chris is being a goofball over here. Yep. So it looks like this goes down though, so we'll see where this will take us. There's Krista. Krista's having fun now. Have you hit your second wind? You got all kinds of energy again. Look at her go. Do a flip.
Tired.
You tired now? Ready for a break?
Yeah, I probably should get water now.
That's where we were just recording over there. And then the peak is back behind us. Right there. So, real good views though over here. What do you think, Krista?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Really nice. Cool little downhill area. I don't know if the camera does it justice how steep it actually is. Chris is doing good though. Trail's starting to get fun now. Krista doesn't think so, but I do. Going uphill now.
Hey, is this some kind of a joke?
Nope. This is the trail. So we're up on this point here. Cool little view of everything. And there's the other side. So we're about the same height as that one point. That's that point right there, being up here, so. Wow. Beautiful over here.
Yeah, it is.
You okay?
Yeah, I fell. Did you get that on camera?
No, I didn't get you falling on camera. Plane flying over. We're so close to the St. George Airport here. We get a lot of those airplanes flying over.
I feel like this is never ending.
Yeah, we're still on the Highland Trail. We haven't made it we haven't reconnected back with the White Dome Trail yet. Looks like we're heading back uphill. Krista's favorite part.
Yay.
She seems thrilled now. I think she's over this hike. We've gone about just a little over 2 miles, which is a lot more than she's used to.
Yeah.
A lot more. She used to maybe 1 mile. And we're
I'm gonna burp.
one of Krista's lovely burps.
Help me.
Nice little spot. Sun's starting to go down. I should hurry up a little bit.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this spot, Krista.
What?
I said, look at this spot. Nice uphill.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, it looks like we're going back uphill more. She's dragging a little. She's not liking the uphills at all.
I'm tired.
You look tired.
Seriously?
Look at her go. She is not having fun right now. we just crossed a bend there, and now we gotta go around here, around there, and back up there. I think maybe it'll go down over there. I'm not sure. So we're gonna.
We can only hope.
So it did not go downhill, and we're still going around this mountain here. We got some signs coming up here. We'll see what these say, but I don't think we've gotten to the lowland trail yet. The lowland will take us back to the White Dome Trail. Nope, still on the highland. Nice little spot right on the edge as we're hiking. Krista's liking it. There's the edge right there, so. But we'll see.
Oh, I remember this.
So somewhere we made a wrong turn, and we're heading back the same way we were on the Highland Trail. We've been doing that for a little bit, so hopefully we catch up with the White Dome Trail, I think it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, White Dome Trail up here, but we're heading the long way. All right, we made it back onto the White Dome Trail. We'll just follow this and back home, or back to the parking lot at least. That's a fun little trail. Now the sun's going down, and we are almost done with our hike. It's getting kind of dark in the video. Krista's dead tired,
Pretty much.
ready to go home. I had a blast. I thought it was a fun hike. Lots of ups and downs and just going every which way. But we're getting towards the end. What distance does your watch say now?
3.86.
That's longer than Elephant Arch. It's 3.86 miles. I think you're ready for Elephant Arch next time.
Yep.
All right, well. Anything you'd like to say at the end?
Thanks for watching.